night where shadows creep, flies a little bee, while others sleep with stripes of black and orange bright. The Halloween bee takes flight through the moonlit sky and zips and zooms, collecting nectar neath the glowing moons. With wings of magic it buzzes by. In the pumpkin patch it's sure to spy the woods of honey on. It's sure to spy in the pumpkin patch till the Halloween bee fills up. So let's sing to the bee, so sweet and small in the moonlit night. You're sure to enthrall. With every buzz and every flight, the Halloween bee brings the light. In the pumpkin patch, under the moon's bright beam, the Halloween bee buzzes with a Halloween big stripes of black and orange, a sight to behold, spreading joy and magic in the autumn cold. So let's cherish the Halloween bee,